Did you know that Privyr makes it super easy for you to log and view your key activity with every client? This can be logged automatically or manually from both mobile and desktop. Let me show you how. Here's my activity timeline for a client. Whenever I send a quick response message or even a file, Privyr automatically logs it, so I can always check what I sent them. When I click to call them, it also automatically logged. And I even have the option to add my call notes or tap Edit to add more details and attachments. You can also manually log something by tapping Add Activity. This can be calls, messages, meetings, notes, even attachments. And you can add as many details as you need. For example, let's say I just had a property viewing, so I'll manually add a meeting to the timeline. I can name it as ACME show flat viewing and notes like came with her husband and kids, really keen on the corner unit. Then add an attachment like a PDF of the floor plan. I can even capture the geolocation of this viewing. Just make sure that you enable activity geolocation first, which you can find under your account settings. It's also possible to add the date and time for activities, even for future events. If I have a property viewing next week, just tap here to set date and time so that later I can review all my upcoming activities at a glance. You can see all your past and upcoming activity in one place across all clients. Go to your Home tab and tap on Upcoming Activities. Here you can scroll through your full activity history with all clients in one timeline. You can also click on different days to see who you called or messaged that day, or review your upcoming meetings for the week. You'll find it so easy to plan your day and find the information you need about each client. Whether you're using Privyr on mobile or on web, your timeline are synced. Everything I just did on my phone is instantly recorded and synced to my web timeline, including my notes and attachments. If you're on a team and using the web app, you can go to the Activity tab in Privyr Web to see the activity across all your team members and leads. You can jump to any date, week, or month to check what happened or what your team is planning to do. You can even filter the timeline by activity type, team member, and more. If you want, you can also click into specific activity to see more details or make updates. For example, I can use filters to find all the phone calls made by my team last week. I can even view only the phone call made by a specific salesperson, and also quickly review whether they were good calls or if most leads did not pick up. And that's how Privyr's activity timeline helps you effortlessly keep track of every interaction across all your leads and team members. Whether it's a quick response, an important meeting, or follow-up call, everything is automatically logged and easy to find. You will always know your history with each lead, and you can also easily review your team's activity without burdening them with admin tasks. Thanks for watching, and if you don't have a Privyr account yet, you can visit privyr.com and sign up for free today.